All right, WMC, this is the video to determine our draft order for box or break number 5, which is one of the E5 treasure chests. So we'll check the time, October 22nd at 9:56 a.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. We have October 22nd at 9:56 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the order after the final roll is our draft order for break 5. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Nick, Christian, Lucas, Joe, Tyler, Adam, and on and on. So that is our draft order. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, October 22nd, 9:56 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.